how to get the grenade launcher in Dying Light the Beast. Let's have a look at this real quick. So first of all, you're going to want to already have the skill unlocked. So come over to skills, come right down there, bottom left, how to craft a grenade launcher. So first thing you need to do, come over here, you want to be in the, of course, let's have a look, come to the map real quick. We're in the town hall, right there. Town hall, workbench. Let's check it out. Now come to weapons right there. And there it is right there, there's the blueprint. And of course crafting, you're going to need 100 scraps, 10 weights, cleaning supplies 3, and gun parts 1. Now the best thing is you can come right out here. Obviously you can loot and go to the old town, loot all the buildings, kill some zombies, etc. But you come over to the shop as well, trade, come down to goods on the bottom left. And usually has a few good parts. You got weights, everything else, rags, resin, pigments. So you can buy stuff off him as well to help towards crafting the grenade launcher. So let's go craft it right now. And here we go. Weapons. We're gonna craft. We already have the flamethrower, so let's get this. And boom, right there. 40mm explosive grenades, nice. And there it is right there. That's how you get the grenade launcher in Dying Light. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.